Here at the British International School Abu Dhabi, we believe that STEM should be wild, wacky, fun and full of curiosity. We celebrate mistakes as part of the process, building resilience and creativity amongst our students. STEM runs through our curriculum, our extracurricular activities and our partnerships with amazing institutions such as MIT. Through our collaboration with MIT, students tackle real research, challenges and connect with cutting-edge science. This year, 2 of our students won a global competition and travelled to MIT where they worked with the nuclear department. Opportunities like this give our students a direct link to the future of science.
For me, the MIT trip was actually really, useful in furthering my passion for medicine, since that's the career path I want to pursue.
We have been able to visit the Plasma Science Fusion Center and able to work on creating a product, a camera that we assembled, and it was really interesting. It reinforced personally my passion for science, and it's just going to be with me in my heart forever.
Since introducing design and technology in 2023, STEM at our school has transformed. Purpose-built facilities inspire collaboration and creativity, and the subject is growing rapidly, with a 72% increase in uptake and our first GCSE and IB groups now underway. Students aren't just learning technical skills, they are developing teamwork, resilience and the confidence to design real solutions that impact the school community. Outside the classroom, STEM comes to life through our exciting clubs and projects. Our Design and Build CCA creates products for our school community. LEGO Robotics and Minecraft clubs are always oversubscribed. Flagship projects take STEM even further. STEM Racing challenges students to design and race miniature F1 cars while managing sponsorships and branding.
Well, first of all, I developed a lot of skills which I firmly believe will really help me throughout my engineering journey, especially when I take it on to university.
For me personally, more than the hard skills, I particularly enjoyed learning the soft skills like teamwork, collaborating and problem solving.
And through Wings of Wonder, in partnership with Etihad Engineering, students design and test RC aircraft along with professional engineers, gaining unique insight to aviation and engineering careers. From classrooms to competitions, from MIT to Etihad, STEM at BIS Abu Dhabi is vibrant, ambitious and future-focused. Our students are not just learning science, technology, engineering and maths, they are shaping solutions, inspiring change and preparing to lead the world of tomorrow.